Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Dan from ThetaTrend.com, and today is Friday, December 6, 2013. It's about 5:30 a.m. here, Mountain Time, in frigid Sun Valley, Idaho, and we're 2 hours or so before the market opens. Today, what I'd like to do is a quick run-through of the open positions that I have, and also talk about a new trade that was opened up not yesterday, the day before yesterday, in TLT, so the 20-plus year bond. What we're looking at right now, this is a daily chart of TLT, and I decided to take this trade based on the results I was getting from the manual backtest of the Theta Breakout system. And basically the Theta Breakout system looks for a Donchian channel breakout. So like here, this is the 50-day low, and price hit that 50-day low. So we would say, okay, this is a good time to get short. And this is our average true range trailing stop, the purple, I guess, pink or purple. And we'd be looking to sell options somewhere above this level, and close above the trailing stop is our stop level. So we're all the way down here, and bonds have been really weak all year. Most people probably know, sort of like gold. But yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we got involved here when price was down around 102.5, and I sold the 106, 110 call spread all the way out in February, and the reason for that really is just that implied volatility is so low in here that it was hard to get anything worthwhile in January, so I went out to February. This is a picture of the trade that I have on, and right now we have an open profit on it of something of about $10 or so. So again, it was the 106, 110 February call spread. I sold that for a 70-cent credit. And when I started the trade, the delta on the short was somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 or so. You can see it's 24 right now. It may have been a little bit over 25 when I started out, but that gives you an idea of that trade. And I'm looking to buy this back for somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 cents or so, a 20-cent debit. But let's continue on and take a look at the Russell 2000, the IWM. So the IWM short put was opened a while ago, and we'll get over to the chart in just a minute. And it's the 96 put that I sold, and this guy is out in January. And I think we're getting down into the 40 days or something. Yeah, 42 days left to go in January. And right now we're sitting, prices here, closed yesterday around 112, and we have an open profit of about $27 on this trade. Let's just go take a look at a chart of the Russell 2000 real fast. So this is a chart of the Russell 2000. We got involved somewhere here back in, I guess that was early November, so we sold the 96 put. So we're all the way down here. The likelihood of price getting down there before expiration is fairly low, but always possible. Price here in stocks has been consistently above the 200-day moving average all year, and for the majority of the time we've been above the 50 as well, which is the red line. So for the time being, I'm just watching this position. It's open, it's profitable. There's really not much to do other than wait. The next position is out in SPY, and we'll pull that up here as well. We sold a naked SPY strangle back here, I believe, on the 14th of November, and price has just been sort of in a steady state of chop in here. We got a little bit of a push up to new highs, and then came back down, and I mean, really not much is happening. And so this is the same situation where we're just kind of sitting and waiting. We can take a look here at the risk graph of the SPY position, and I sold the 188 and the 162, so the 162 put and the 188 call, and price is sitting right now around 179.5 or so, and that's right in the middle of the sweet spot you can see here on the T+0 line. So there's, again, in this position, really nothing to do other than sit and wait. This is out in January. We have 42 days to go, and I'm sure that we're going to be out of it before expiration. Let's jump over now and take a look at the PGJ position. PGJ was the new position for the top performing ETF's monthly rotation system. So we got involved in this back on the 1st, which is, or I guess the 2nd, which is right here. And since then, we really haven't seen anything happen. Price is essentially where we got involved, and we're not sitting. We're just sort of sitting there, I guess. And one of the things that I was looking at is where this price formation here, I guess, if you will, looks to me like just a consolidation. It doesn't look like price is going to break lower. I never predict price, but I do sort of look at it, and it's kind of fun to say, oh, I think this might happen. And what it looks like to me is we're in a consolidation period. We have some volume coming off here, and hopefully this consolidation, or this period of consolidation, will resolve itself to the upside. These are Chinese stocks. I don't know anything about them, and even if I did, I don't think it would help me out. But that's what I'm looking at today. So that's all I have for now. It's a recap of our positions. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're new to Theta Trend, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Thanks.